Today I'll be testing the self-tanner as contour hack that I've seen all over TikTok. I want to find out if this self-tanner really can be a replacement for contouring. Hopefully it'll be waterproof, it'll be sweatproof, it'll be perfect for the summer if this works. So if you want to find out if it actually does, just keep watching. Okay, so I rinsed my face off in the sink really quickly, and I'm gonna also just kind of exfoliate. I left my eye makeup, I just didn't want it to drip everywhere. I think we're ready to do this. Okay, so I will be using the Jergens Natural Glow in Deep Bronze. It says it only takes 60 seconds to dry. It also has a foam consistency, which hopefully will make it easier to apply just the right amount. I'm cleansed, I'm ready. I'm nervous a little bit. Got my mirror here. Okay, so let's just go for it. Let's just pump it out. Okay, so we got it pumped out. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the brush. I think that'll be the best for just spreading it over my face. Oh my God, I'm nervous. So I feel like contour is a little bit tricky for me. I've got those chipmunk cheeks. So I'm kind of just trying to catch the hollow, even though I don't really have a hollow. But I mean, worst case scenario, guys, we're in quarantine and I can exfoliate. I'm also getting under my neck. So it looks a little splotchy right now, but I am going to use my beauty blender. I'm also getting up here, like I have a not even hairline, and sometimes I feel like it stands out a lot. So this looks pretty good. I'm gonna get to my beauty blender. I'm really nervous about the nose. I don't normally contour my nose just because I don't think it looks the best on me, but I did see a tip for kind of just getting a little bit underneath here. I think it really lifts it and kind of minimizes it in terms of just like, you know, blending it all together. So I am gonna do, if you can see, just like underneath here, like a really gentle tap, and then I'll use my little guy for getting in there. So first, I already wet this, and I just want to honestly kind of blend everything in that I already have. I also feel like, I mean, I know it's gonna darken, but I feel like it's a lot closer to my color since, again, I am, oops, naturally tan. So we'll see how this goes and if this actually changes color. Oh my God, my chin is so not blended. This, I think, is the tricky part. Okay, I'm also just kind of blending it out to the cheeks. Again, I have like a really full, I'm trying to show you. I like a really full chipmunk face. So I feel like I like to spread it a little more into this area because it just, I don't know, I feel like it shapes it better in general. Okay, the forehead is looking really good, I will say. I feel like it already has that natural shape that I like, and then I can highlight the center. Ooh, what are we thinking? You guys, what do we think? I feel like it's working. I feel like, there we go. Once I got the beauty blender in there, I feel like it really started to shape up. Part of me wonders if I feel like I kind of removed some of the product also with the beauty blender. So I'm just gonna reapply it. Don't worry, it'll be okay. Getting worried there when I started applying, but it's looking good. I mean, this part I would say is definitely tricky. It's just hard when you've got the chipmunk cheeks. There is no hollow. I'm trying to invent something out of nothing. That's what it feels like. Okay, I'm pretty happy with this. I don't know if you guys can see it yet. I feel like it's starting to settle in. And I'm just dabbing back with the brush because I was surprised at how much of the product the beauty blender removes. Oh, the neck is looking good. I don't want to miss the area over here. Okay. Oh, my neck is also so much lighter, so might need to wipe some of that off. Okay. We've done it. We're doing it. I'm actually really happy with this right now. I did see some creators put it kind of above their eyelids. I feel like I already have a really dark eye area, so I don't want to exaggerate that more, at least this time around. My first go, but everywhere else it's looking really good, getting into that hairline. The nose is, here, I'm gonna add a touch more. I like the nose is actually working out so much better than I imagined it working out. Because this is cute. Okay, so everything is starting to dry. There might be a couple spots I need to touch up, but I'm gonna let this dry, then I'm gonna wash off just any excess and do my makeup as if this was the contour. You know, don't add anything except for just like blush, redo my eyes, and then I'll let you guys see it. Ready? And this is the final look. I'm actually so happy with it. I didn't even think I was gonna come out looking halfway decent. I'm not the best at contouring. I think this is just super cute. I really love it around the hairline. I feel like it just makes that perfect like face shape, because I know I definitely don't have that, but I'm into it. I can't believe it was so simple and also so cheap. I think the Jergens Self Tanner, the Glow, is only, oh, what did I buy it for? I want to say it's around $10, if not less than that, and I'm happy. The bottle did say you could do it again in like a day, or I think basically as often as you want for whatever look you're trying to achieve. But I'm really happy with this. I think I would touch this up maybe in like a week. I mean, I guess depending how much you're in the pool and how much you're outside, but I'm into it. I'm so excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of my new look down in the comments, and let me know if you're gonna be trying this Jergens TikTok Self Tanner Contour Challenge. I'm really excited to see who else does it. I didn't think I was gonna look even halfway decent, so this is a win. And before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so we can hang out again soon.